Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use an AJ Bell Stocks and Shares ISA. The first thing you need to do is open an account in a Stocks and Shares ISA with AJ Bell. Go to the AJ Bell website and click on Open an Account. Choose the Stocks and Shares ISA option. You will need to enter your personal details, your national insurance number, and your bank details. Follow the instructions on the screen and submit your application. After your account is open, log into your AJ Bell account. You will see your main dashboard. This is where you can see your account value, cash balance, and investments. Before you can invest, you need to add money into your ISA. Look for the option that says Add Cash or Top Up. Enter the amount you want to deposit and choose your payment method. Confirm the payment through your bank. Once the money appears as available cash in your account, you can start investing. Next, go to the Deal or Invest section. Use the search bar to find the investment you want. You can search for shares, funds, or exchange-traded funds. Click on the investment to view more details such as price and past performance. When you are ready, click Buy. Enter how much you want to invest. Check the fees and confirm your order. After the trade is complete, the investment will show in your portfolio. Thanks for watching.